Hi. So getting on and off the toilet can be a real challenge and unsafe when you're recovering, going through a transition, or just when your body's getting older. This raised toilet seat with padded handles makes such a difference. It is such a great solution for getting on and off the toilet securely and safely. By raising the toilet seat 5 inches and also having these arms for support makes getting down and up on that toilet so much easier and much safer. So I'm going to show you how to get this product on the toilet, which is so easy and off and then also use. So there's very little assembly. You simply just get it out of the box, pop in the arms. It just takes a few seconds. All right, so I'm gonna get this off the toilet. And so this raised toilet seat fits most standard and elongated toilets. What you wanna make sure is that the measurement from the inner rim in the front to the inner rim in the back does not exceed 15 inches, all right? And so all you have to do is simply rest the raised toilet seat on the toilet, and if you notice that the lid is pressing up against the raised toilet seat, you simply just have to remove the lid. But in most cases, you can just keep the lid on there. All right, and then you wanna lock it onto the seat, and that's what this turn knob is for. So you're gonna just turn it right, and you're gonna feel that pad behind there start pressing up against the toilet rim. That's gonna set that raised toilet seat in place. So you're gonna turn it nice and tight, and then you're gonna wanna lift up and make sure it's nice and secure. So now it's ready to go. And then to remove it, you simply turn left. That disengages it or moves that pad back, and then it's so easy to remove. All right, and then of course we have our care, use, and warranty support information attached, so you can contact us anytime. And know we're the brand you can trust. We've been around for 25 years.